Briefing Elon Musk Activity Overview, April 2, 2026. Today, Elon Musk and his business empire have become the focal point of global discourse, spanning major breakthroughs in capital markets, strategic supply chain positioning, and complex social controversies. In the capital markets, SpaceX has officially filed for a confidential IPO. This milestone listing process not only allows the company to gain a head start against AI rivals but is also widely viewed by the market as a pivotal step toward Musk becoming the world's first trillionaire. Simultaneously, to resolve supply chain bottlenecks, Musk is aggressively advancing an ambitious in-house chip development plan. This initiative aims to provide core hardware support for all his companies, including Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI, achieving total self-sufficiency in microchips. However, Musk's aggressive expansion in the AI sector is facing unprecedented resistance, with several AI industry leaders forming a united front to compete and push back. Furthermore, Musk's social influence has been linked to an extreme negative event. A tragedy occurred in Wisconsin where a woman, suffering from delusions regarding Musk, claimed she killed her daughter to protect her. Overall, Musk stands at the center of both an expanding business empire and a fractured public discourse. His leaps in technological monopoly and capital accumulation are accompanied by intensifying industry opposition and complex socio-psychological impacts. Tesla Dynamics Briefing, April 2, 2026. Tesla is currently in a critical period characterized by both market volatility and strategic expansion. Latest data shows that, impacted by intensifying competition in the global EV market and slowing demand, Tesla's first quarter deliveries fell short of market expectations, hitting a one-year quarterly low and increasing the risk of inventory buildup. Following this bearish news, the company's stock price dropped by more than 4%. However, shifts in the market environment have brought potential opportunities. As U.S. gasoline prices climbed to a high of $4 per gallon, consumer interest in electric vehicles has rebounded significantly, with fuel cost pressures reactivating potential purchasing demand. In terms of production and facilities, Tesla has not slowed down. It recently submitted permit applications to launch a new project near the Reno airport, continuing to deepen its industrial footprint in Nevada. In summary, despite short-term challenges with delivery volumes, Tesla is attempting to find a new growth equilibrium in a challenging industry landscape by leveraging external opportunities like rising oil prices and continued infrastructure expansion. Briefing, SpaceX officially initiates IPO process, valuation heads toward trillion-dollar milestone. April 2, 2026, marks a historic moment for the global aerospace industry. Multiple mainstream media outlets, including Bloomberg, Reuters, and the BBC, have confirmed that Elon Musk's SpaceX has confidentially filed for an initial public offering, IPO. This move signifies that the commercial aerospace giant has officially opened a new chapter in the capital markets, with its listing valuation expected to reach a staggering $1 trillion. Industry insiders view this IPO as a big bang listing plan. By entering the capital markets ahead of its AI competitors, SpaceX aims to leverage its absolute leadership in rocket recovery, the Starlink global satellite internet constellation, and deep space exploration to provide investors with a direct channel to share in Musk's space ambitions. While outlets like The Information note that SpaceX still faces challenges regarding financial transparency, regulatory pressure from high-frequency launches, and massive R&D investment, the market remains generally optimistic. Analysts believe the SpaceX listing will not only break records for the world's largest IPO but will also reshape the investment logic of the global aerospace and communications industries, further consolidating its dominance in commercial space. Briefing, overview of legal litigation and dynamics related to Elon Musk and X, formerly Twitter. Date * April 2, 2026. Elon Musk has once again become embroiled in legal disputes and public controversy surrounding his acquisition and subsequent operation of the social platform Twitter, now X. Regarding litigation, a U.S. court recently ruled that Musk must face a class action lawsuit. The suit alleges that Musk failed to disclose his stake in Twitter within the legally required timeframe during his 2022 acquisition. Plaintiffs argue that this delayed disclosure harmed other investors while allowing Musk to increase his holdings at a lower price. Meanwhile, Musk's legal team is actively fighting another ruling regarding Twitter stock. His lawyers accused a San Francisco jury of bias, specifically pointing out that the $4.20 reference in the damages amount was a clear mockery linked to a specific marijuana culture meme, suggesting the jury did not reach an impartial verdict. In terms of platform functionality and international influence, despite ongoing legal disputes, X continues to play a significant role in political communication. Reports indicate that the U.S. government is utilizing the platform as a vital tool to combat foreign disinformation, highlighting X's strategic position in addressing global information warfare and maintaining national security narratives. Summary ***. Musk is currently at the center of multiple legal challenges, ranging from class action lawsuits over regulatory disclosure violations to challenging judicial rulings he deems biased. Nevertheless, even amidst these legal battles, X's status as a global information hub remains valued by officials, with its utility in the political and diplomatic spheres becoming increasingly prominent. Neuralink technical progress and social impact briefing. As of April 2026, Neuralink's brain-computer interface (BCI) technology has moved from laboratory theory to deep clinical application, achieving significant breakthroughs in improving the quality of life for people with disabilities. The first human implant patient, Nolan Arbaugh, recently demonstrated the staggering potential of the technology. He is now able to navigate a computer fluently using only his thoughts, even performing complex maneuvers in the massive multiplayer online game World of Warcraft. This progress is not just a revolution in entertainment, it represents a milestone in direct interaction between the human brain and the digital world. As clinical trials expand, the technology is triggering a chain reaction globally. In Canada, a participant from Elmvale has joined a new round of clinical trials, describing it as life-changing technology, a sign that the therapy may soon see broader adoption across North America. Meanwhile, Arbaugh has been actively sharing his recovery journey through academic events, such as the Yeshiva Seminar in Michigan, showcasing the immense value of BCI in restoring physical function and social participation. However, the rapid pace of technological advancement has also birthed serious ethical challenges. Academia is engaged in a heated debate over neuroethics, focusing on core issues such as privacy rights, the fairness of cognitive enhancement, and the boundaries of human consciousness. Experts point out that while pursuing technological breakthroughs, a robust ethical regulatory framework must be established to ensure this life-reshaping technology benefits humanity without triggering uncontrollable social risks.